Hello students, in this session we are going to learn create and use templates. This is the session 3 of the chapter Digital Documentation Unit 1 Part B. As per the new syllabus provided by CBSE, we have to cover these topics in theory as well as practical. In this session, basically we are going to learn that how to create template, how to use template and how to set the template as default. And the platform is openoffice.org. But first of all, let us understand that what is document template. A document template is a blueprint of the document that containing formatting features. Based on that, another document can be created automatically. In fact, these templates can be act as a model or a sample for the upcoming or other documents. It can be created in two different ways. First is from the file and another is from the wizard. Templates can be created for report cards, for the letters, for the pamphlets or any other document where the data will be different but layout should be same. So let's come and start with the OpenOffice Writer. Here we have some content that will be act as a sample for us while creating the template. Here we have Lucknow Public School. I'm making little bit changes in terms of formatting so that you can realize the effect that what has done. I'm making it align at the center, applying some color too. Here I can apply red. Fine. Now this is the branch. I can apply it to the right and make it a little bit bigger also. This is okay. Here we have subject or any content as per your choice. I've applied again black and rest of the thing will be like that. You can choose the color, background, logo as per your need. Here this is a sample only. So now let's make a template. To create a template, let's go for file and now come to the template and go to save. As soon as I click save, you can see here the window appear and it is asking for the name. Here I am giving template 1 for the sample and simply clicking on OK. When I click there, then you can find we are working on Untitled 1. It will not change. This is only saved as a document. Now definitely you want to see that where this has gone and how to use it. So the another task is after creating this template, how you can utilize your template. So for making this, let you go to another document. Here we have another document that is Untitled 2. Earlier I was using Untitled 1. Now here we are in Untitled 2. This is another new document. Here I am going to show you that how to utilize that template that we just made. For that, go to File, go to New, but don't go to Text document. Come down and click on Templates and Documents. Click here. As soon as you click here, you can find this dialog box will be coming and you can see all the template that we have created appear here. And just before we have created template 1, so click on template 1. You can see here the preview also. It will display some sample, some content about the information about the template, that when it is created by who, etc. Now simply click on open. As soon as I click open, you can see this is the same document. You can identify from here, this is Untitled 3 and new document has opened with the existing template. So this is our task 2. Now another task is, suppose every time I need to utilize with this template for this letter, for the base. So what to do? For that, children, you need to make it as a default. So now I am going to make it as a default. Before that, you see, just this is the predefined layout. Formatting will be same, but we are free to make changes. We are free to make changes, and it will be in the same formatting that we have. If I am writing as parent, if I am writing a student, if I am writing a school name, if I am writing branch name, the format is always same because it acts as a template. So now we are going to make it as a default, so that every time when we used to work on this, the same document, the same layout will be open. We do not need to open again and again. For that, another step is, come for the main original document where I was working earlier in Untitled 1. Come for file, again go to template. In this time you should go to organize. Click on organize. You will see here the location is coming and the folder where I have saved earlier, that is my template. Here you can see number of templates which I have created already that are coming. Just before we have created template 1. So select template 1 and now come to command. From here come to command, click on this, you will find many options. From here you can delete a template, from here you can make editing in the templates, and here the task is how to set it as a default. Here you can find the option that set a default template. Now click on default template. Now your task has done, simply click on close. Now I am going to show you that what has done actually. After making it as a default, every time whenever you are going to open this simple document, it will come up with the template. Here I am going to file, new and simple text document. You can see I have opened simple text document and the same layout which I have made as a default, it is coming. Again I am showing you, go to file, go to new and a simple text document. Here you can see. In this way you can create a template as per your requirement with all the modification and the symbols, and after that you can utilize it as per your wish. Otherwise, if you want to work on the regular basis on the same layout, you can make it as a default. But suppose after a time, after a while you think that now no need to make it as a default, then you can change it. Now I am making to change the default from the normal. Now I don't feel कि this is required every time. So again go to file, again go to template and click on organize. Here you have your folder where your templates stored. Click on template 1. This is your template. Again go to command and here you can see earlier only one option was coming, that is set as a default. Now after making it as a default, the another option is coming, that is reset default template to the normal text document. Now your task is over, simply click on close. Now I am showing you the effect. After this, again go to new, again go to text document. Here you can see earlier I have made it as a default, now it is over. Now this is not the default, but we can use it. We can use it from the file, from the new and from the templates. Here you have already saved, so it is existing here. From here you can use the template, but now it is not the default template. This is only that for this session. I hope you understood the chapter well, understood the topic well. Thank you, children.